Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the 7-Eleven rewards page not loading in the app. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A slow or unstable connection can prevent the rewards page from loading properly. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it. Wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Then, restart your phone to clear background processes that might be interfering with the app. You should also head over to your App Store and Play Store and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version available in your App Store. If you are using Android, go to the Settings, App 7-Eleven, Storage and tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that could cause loading problems. Another thing you can try is logging out of your account and logging back in again. If the rewards page still does not load, it may be due to temporary server issues, so try again after a few minutes. That's how you fix the 7-Eleven rewards page not showing. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like